I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Indian-style fish head soup. This comforting dish is packed with incredible flavors and is surprisingly easy to prepare. We'll start with one large fish head, perhaps from a snapper or cod, weighing around 2 pounds. Our aromatic base will feature fresh ginger, garlic, and onions, complemented by essential Indian spices like turmeric, chili powder, cumin, and garam masala. Get ready for a truly satisfying culinary experience. Before cooking, proper preparation is key for a fantastic soup. First, thoroughly clean your fish head, removing all gills and scales, then cut it into 2 or 3 manageable pieces. Next, mince about 1 inch of fresh ginger and 4 cloves of garlic, and finely chop 1 large onion. Marinate the fish pieces with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of salt for about 15 minutes. Also, have 1 cup of diced tomatoes and 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro ready. Now let's bring those flavors to life. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Then, add the minced ginger and garlic, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Finally, add the marinated fish, diced tomatoes, and 4 cups of water, simmering gently for 20 minutes. To finish our delicious soup, taste it and adjust the salt and spice levels to your preference. A little extra chili powder or a pinch more salt can make all the difference. Garnish generously with the 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro just before serving. This vibrant herb adds a wonderful freshness. Serve your hot, flavorful fish head soup with steamed rice or warm flatbread for a truly satisfying and complete Indian meal. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.